Have you ever wondered how your tablet talks to the internet without any wires? Right now, invisible messengers called radio waves are flying through the air all around you, carrying videos, games, and messages to your devices. Today, we're going to see how Wi-Fi works its magic. And stick with me, because at the end of this video, I'm going to share a mind-blowing fact about just how many messages are zipping through the air around you right this second.
Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
What actually is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is a technology that lets your devices, like tablets, phones, and computers, connect to the internet without plugging in any cables. It works by sending information through invisible waves in the air, kind of like how a walkie-talkie lets you talk to someone far away. Think of it like playing telephone, but instead of a string, the messages fly through the air on invisible waves that zoom back and forth faster than you can blink. But here's the really cool part. These radio waves travel at about 300 million meters per second. That's fast enough to circle the entire Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. Okay, pop quiz time. Question 1. What are the invisible messengers that carry information through the air to your tablet or phone? Is it A, tiny flying robots, B, radio waves, C, magic dust, or D, invisible strings? The answer is B, radio waves.
Hey, you're watching Goalie's Pip Academy, where we teach about science, geography, history, everything about the whole world. If you want to watch these classes with no ads, no distractions, go to getgoalie.com.
Think of it like this. Imagine your router is a mail carrier in a busy neighborhood. Every house has an address, right? Well, every device in your home has its own special address called a MAC address. When your tablet asks for that cat video, it puts its address on the request. The router sees that address and knows exactly where to send the video back. Round 2. Question 2. The Wi-Fi router in your home is like a mail carrier that delivers information to the right devices. Is that A, true, or B, false? The answer is true. Exactly right. Your router is sorting through all those requests and delivering information to exactly the right device every single time. All right, now for the deepest mystery of all. How does a video actually travel through the air? Here's the thing. A video file is huge. There's no way all of that can just fly through the air in one big chunk. So here's what happens. When you click on a video, your device and the router work together to break that video into thousands, sometimes millions of tiny pieces called data packets. Imagine taking a huge jigsaw puzzle and breaking it into individual pieces, then mailing each piece separately. Each data packet is like one puzzle piece. It contains a small bit of the video, plus some special information that tells the packet where it came from, where it's going, and what order it belongs in. These packets then shoot through the air on radio waves, one after another, super fast. They might not even arrive in order, but your tablet is smart. As each packet arrives, your device looks at that instruction label and says, "Okay, this is piece number 47. Oh, here's piece number 12. And when all the pieces arrive, your tablet reassembles them in the correct order, and boom, the video plays perfectly on your screen. Now here's the absolutely wild part. This entire process happens so fast that you don't even notice it. When you press play on a video, thousands of packets start arriving every single second, and your device is putting them together in real time. And here's something that'll really make you think. Right now, at this very moment, there are probably thousands of data packets flying through the air around you. Some are carrying pieces of this video to your screen. Some are carrying your family's text messages. Some are carrying music, emails, game updates, all zooming around invisibly. If you could suddenly see Wi-Fi signals, the air around you would look like a fireworks show. Final round, question 3. When you watch a video on your tablet using Wi-Fi, what happens to the video before it travels through the air? Is it A, it stays as one big piece? B, it gets smaller but stays together? C, it breaks into tiny pieces? Or D, it turns into a different video? The answer is C, it breaks into tiny pieces. The video breaks into thousands or even millions of tiny data packets, flies through the air in pieces, and then gets reassembled perfectly on your device. So, let's recap your new superpowers. 1. Wi-Fi uses invisible radio waves to carry information through the air. 2. Your Wi-Fi router acts like a super smart mail carrier, sorting and delivering information to exactly the right device in your home. And 3. Videos, pictures, and games break into thousands of tiny packets, zoom through the air, and reassemble on your screen faster than you can blink. Now, why does all this matter? Wi-Fi has changed the entire world. Doctors can now do video calls with patients who live far away. Scientists in different countries can share their research instantly. You can learn about anything, talk to friends, explore virtual museums, all without plugging in a single wire. Oh, and remember that mind-blowing fact I promised you? Here it is. Scientists estimate that at any given moment, there are billions of Wi-Fi signals and data packets flying through the air all over the planet. And most of them are completely invisible, traveling through walls, trees, even your body, without you feeling a thing. You're basically swimming in an invisible ocean of information right now. How amazing is that? Now that you know how Wi-Fi works, look around you and see if you can spot it in action. Every time your tablet loads a video, remember those invisible messengers breaking information into tiny pieces and zooming through the air. Thanks for exploring this invisible superpower with me today, where we turn curiosity into discovery. Keep asking questions, keep wondering how things work, and keep exploring the amazing world around you. I'll see you in the next adventure. Stay curious.
My mind is blown. Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.